about a backup. So if you go to the control panel items, you can see the backup, and also you can see file history. Okay, file history. So morning, we have discussed about how to take a backup, how to set up. Just you have to click on a setup backup, and you have to choose where you want to store the backup. Means if you're taking a backup from C drive, you can't store in C drive. You have to store in other drive, D drive, F drive, or different location, or a different network location like that. So you can do it. Okay. So no problem if you click on a setup backup, but you should not finish the backup wizard kind of stuff. Just see the option purpose only. You can do it. Morning we are already seen, but in that virtual machine we already configured 2-3 times the backup configuration. Okay. Why it is taking a lot of time? Wizard. Yeah, here it is. See, it is not showing C drive as a destination drive. See, if you take a backup from E drive, you cannot store in a E drive first of all. So it is showing all other drives. Better to store in external drives. Save on the network like that. We can save in a different location. So I want to save in H drive, for example. Just for example, this drive does not enough space to store the system image. Yeah, nothing. Okay. Z drive. System image cannot be saved in this location. F drive does not have enough space to system image. Drive is on physical disk as your system drive. So it is F drive and E drive, C drive both are in a same hard disk. This is in different hard disk. Not enough space. Same hard disk. Okay. Next, just selected next only. Nothing. So you can choose. Let Windows choose. Windows will choose your system files, and user profile data, system image, entire system C drive in the image format. It will take a backup. Let me choose. Second option. Let me choose. In the let me choose, you can able to see what are the files you want to take a backup, including system image, entire your C drive, your OS protection format like your system partitions kind of stuff. Okay, and the drives, D drive, E drive, F drive, you want to select it. You know, the libraries. See? Desktop data, contacts, downloads, favorites, video library, saved games, saved files, music for camera rolls, documents, user profile data. If you go next, automatically it will take the backup. That's backup related thing. Next one or two step, finish. It will take the start backup. Okay, I'm not doing anything, just canceling it. This is morning. We have seen how to set up a backup. I didn't set up a backup, guys. Just I've seen the options. Okay. Select another backup to restore the files from. Like I have taken a backup from my old computer. I have taken a backup from my old computer. Now I want to restore here. I can restore it. I can restore it. For example, my laptop become old. I purchase a new laptop. My profile data is there, right? So my desktop, documents, favorites, contacts, so much of data is there. But how to copy the data from your old laptop to new laptop? Same thing. Run the wizard. Only take the backup of users profile data. Okay, and then store into external hard disk and connect external hard disk to a new computer. Then restore it from the external hard disk. Then automatically data will be restored. So this is what we can able to migrate computer from old to new one. Very simple. Take the backup and go to new computer, restore the data into new computer. Next, another option I told, that is file history. Okay, so what is this file history, guys? Okay, it is automatically selected. I think I selected this list, right? So don't need to do anything, just don't do it anything first of all. Files history saves copies of your files so that you can get them back if they lost or damaged. You have a profile data, means your libraries, desktop files, contacts, and your favorites. What happen if you have a data? If you have a data, so not you have a data in your desktop, your documents, your videos, video pictures, kind of stuff, right? Once you configure a destination where to save, and you have to configure one more thing, that is called go to advanced settings. So here it is, every 1 hour by default. So every 1 hour you take your data backup. Every 1 hour, whatever the files are created from last 1 hour, it take the backup and store in the backup location. Every 1 hour it runs, like a morning 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11, 12, 13, like that. So 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, like till the system is on. As long as system is on, it will take the backup. For every 1 hour, take the backup and store into the external location. If you click here, you can configure in different ways. Every 10 minutes, seriousness of data, risk management, and seriousness of data. Your data is creating every 10 minutes, huge amount of data is creating and lot of data is creating. Very important, anytime anything can be happens. Like based on that, you can configure every 10 minutes, every 15 minutes, every 20 minutes, every 30 minutes, every 1 hour, every 3 hours, every 6 hours, every 12 hours, daily backup kind of stuff. So today, whatever the data is there, take the backup. So tomorrow, whatever the data is created, so take the backup end of the day. That is automatically it will done it. Okay. Default is our. So you taken a backup and store into the remote location. Okay. So this is my computer and this is my location. Okay. Storage backup location. Every 1 hour I'm taking backup. So every 1 hour I'm taking backup. Now it store the backup of your data, right? It store the backup either every 1 hour, every 3 hours, every 12 hours or daily. Okay. So what are the data is created here? Okay. That is backup and store here. But how long you want to store? Okay. Daily you are keeping your data, but this is also a storage device, right? It will also finish, after a certain period of time. How long you want to keep it? By default, never. By default, never. You can do it like this. You want to keep last 1 month data only. You don't want 1 month before, 30 days before data. You don't want it. You want last 3 months data. Before 3 months, not required. Not importance is there. Or maybe last 1 year data, or last 6 months data, or last nine months data, last 1 year data. I want to store last 1 year data only. So 1 year back data is a very old data. I think I no longer use of that data in this way. What are the data is last from last 1 year? Already covered lot of data. So you can keep the data. You can keep saved version means you can keep the last backups from last 1 month backup or 3 months or last 6 months or last 1 year, last 2 years, or never delete anything previously. So like that we can choose it. Okay, so this is a file history. What is a file history? File history saves copies of your files so that you can get them back if they lost or a damage. Very simple, it is. It's a line. Okay, so what are the files it will take into the backup is your libraries, desktop, contacts, and favorites. So this is called a file history, guys. Select drives, which drive you want to store the data, or if you have a network location, then you can choose the network location. Exclude folders. You know, we have a lot of data in our C drive, like so music files are there, video files are there. I don't want to take the backup of it. We can exclude certain folders here. So then, so your file history don't take the backup of that related one. We already seen advanced settings. This is restore personal files. If in case you lost some data on your desktop or maybe in your documents or maybe in pictures, so you can restore it from the file history. Restore personal files means you can restore it from the file history data. So you have to connect the disk and restore the data into the computer again. Restore personal files. So this is file history. Okay, I'm not giving any details, guys. Just I'm explaining. That's it. Okay, I understand, guys. What is file history?
Yes, sir.
So two more things I want to tell about tell in a backup and restore. File history I told, but this is the old options are also there. That is called a system image and system repair disk. What is this system image? System image. What is system image? Think like this. You have a computer. Okay. Have a computer. Main drive in your Windows is C drive, right? Main drive is C drive. Why main drive is C drive? Why main drive is C drive? Your Windows OS stores in the C drive only. You have D drive, E drive, that is a regular data files. But C drive contains operating system, applications, settings, user profile data, users profile data. So that is thing is storing. Operating system, applications, user, personal data or profile data, settings, and stuff stores in your C drive only. Now, nowadays, we are using a operating system like a Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. That to BIOS UEFI kind of stuff, GPT partitions. We are getting recovery partitions. Along with your C drive, we are also getting recovery partition, protection related, or boot related, repair related. So what it is, we are getting a files. Other than C drive, also we are getting a system drives also there. Now, what is this system image backup? What is this system image backup? Normally, you take a backup that is a file backup only, file folder kind of backup only. What is this system image backup? It take all the your system operating system, application, user information, user settings, user personal data. So everything as how it is stored in your hard disk, same way it take the backup and store in the your backup location. For example, I connected an external hard disk or a DVD or a Blu-ray. I go to system image backup. In that one, I selected a which place I want to store. Either it is on network location, or one or more DVDs, or maybe on the hard disk. I have a very big size is there. External hard disk. Hard disk means external or internal. What it do? A system image is a copy of the drives required for Windows to run. It is also include additional drives. A system image can be used to restore your computer if hard drive or a computer ever stop working. However, you cannot choose individual items to restore it. So what happened here? You can choose C drive and other drives also if you want. Other drives also you can want it. You can keep everything into one single location. Now what happened in case of your hard disk is damaged? Hard disk is damaged, you don't know what to do. Okay, so generally our computers sometimes for some people may happen, may not be happen generally, but sometimes it is very seriousness. Okay, you have a computer, you have a hard disk, you have an operating system, and it contains an applications, it contains the settings, it contains the drivers, it contains user profile data. Okay, all things are in your right in your hard disk only. Now what happened? Your hard disk is stop working or hard disk is not working. So how to collect the data? Normal data you are taking a backup, or maybe you don't give a much value for normal backup. But your operating system not working, then it is very difficult to set it back as original one. So what to do? Remove the hard disk, reinsert the new hard disk. What to do? Remove this hard disk, reinsert a new hard disk. Okay. Restore this data image backup to new hard disk and run and run. So what is the use of that one? So like a system image backup. Okay. So what is the useful one? System image backup. So you purchase a new computer, or maybe you are using a computer for a certain period of time. Now you realize there is a possibility of hard disk failure. You don't want to go with all the steps we have done in a previous. So what to do? Go to system image backup, take the backup, store into external hard disk, then do regular work. In any case, a system is damaged, insert a new hard disk or a format, completely remove your hard disk thing, restore your data and start using your computer. So this is a very important thing in your Windows 10. System image backup. Next one is repair disk. System repair disk. Guys, so yeah, DVD is not there, so no problem. What is the use of this DVD? Again, you have a computer, you got a little problems. Now you want to go to repair option. You got some problem, troubleshooting is required. At a boot time, only you want to go to repair option. Okay, to go to repair options, you need a operating system, DVD or a CD kind of stuff. Depends upon your OS. Nowadays all OS are DVD OS only. So your operating system DVD. Insert your Windows 10 DVD, boot from CD DVD, then it asks for install language, then it will ask for install now or repair your computer. If you forget, so go through that your video or maybe try to install once again. So it will shows when you start your machine, boot from CD DVD. So press any key to boot from CD DVD. Then it will ask for a language, keyboard, time zone. Once you are given, it asks for install. Now, or you want to troubleshoot repair option. Okay, so to get a repair option without having DVD, like For example, you purchase a laptop or a desktop. It came with operating system. It came with operating system. He didn't give any operating system DVD for you. He didn't give any operating system DVD to you. Then what to do? Nothing. Go and buy a one CD. CD is enough. Not required DVD. Just CD is enough because it's a very small space. Insert a CD into your CD-ROM or DVD writer or CD writer. Insert your CD. Go to repair disk. Go to system repair disk. Okay. Insert a DVD or CD. Click on create disk. What will happen? On the disk, a system repair disk can be used to boot your computer. It is also contains Windows system recovery tools that can help you recover Windows from the serious errors or a system or a restore your computer from the system image. So what we will get it? It contains bootable files. This repair disk contains some basic bootable files. If whenever you boot with a repair disk, you insert a DVD or you insert a CD, go to repair option. Okay, you will get a booted. You'll go to repair options. Okay, so follow the repair options, try to troubleshoot it. If in case your hard disk is damaged, you don't know what to do. You want to restore your data from system image, you can do it. If you want to restore your data from system image, you can do it with the repair disk. Very simple, guys. This system repair disk is nothing but a CD. It is around 180 GB or 150 MB or 180 MB something. It is a very simple CD. The OS related bootable files are a basic files. Bootable are a basic files. OS related basic files are bootable files. Okay, plus repair tools. Repair tools are a repair options are there. So in this DVD. How we are getting from this one? Simply insert your CD, go to create system repair disk. Make sure your CD is selected here, create disk. The disk contains basic operating system files like a bootable files. Okay, repair option kind of stuff. Software is there. So you can repair your computer on yourself by like that only. Okay, just we need a CD for that one. Okay, so guys, this is about your in a Windows 10 three options I told. One is a file history, second one is system image, system image recovery, repair disk. Three things I told. I will tell one more is restore system restore shadow. Okay, so what is this system restoration? Guys, understand these 3 points? Still it is going on. Okay. Okay. Noise. Okay. No problem. So we'll continue. System restoration. This is not backup restoration. I'm talking about system restoration. System restoration and shadow copy. Both are linked to each other, but big problem is I need a server. Any server is better for a shadow copy. But it's okay, no problem. So I will explain with theory. System restore. So, system restore. So this is restore point. This recovery different, reset is different. Okay, recovery options. Okay, this is a little different. So I will go to restoration point is also there. What is this? Recovery. So we'll see what is this recovery. Okay, create a recovery drive. So this is direct advanced recovery options are there. Click to troubleshoot problem when system is not started. You can open a system restore, undo recent changes, but not leave such as a documents, pictures and unchanged. Configure system restore. Yeah, this is the good thing. Control panel recovery. You can go to recovery option here. Is we'll get a options. Creating a recovery drive. So then you can store important files there. So you can able to recollect. 1 second, guys.